Oh, it's lovely. Oh, it smells lovely. Mmm. Ooh. I swear I've got something wrong with my nostrils. Hi guys, so today's video we have the Lush April Kitchen box to share with you guys. I looked at the sneak peek at the beginning of the month because I just can't avoid it. If you're on the Discord and Instagram and stuff like that, it just pops up and you see it and then you're intrigued and you want to know what it is. So I did see it at the beginning of the month. I can definitely remember one thing that's in here, but I'm blanking on the others, which is good. The one perk of having a mum brain, I can forget what I've seen is in the box. So I'm gonna open her up. She's just in a regular box this time. Usually if there's some sort of theme, it comes in like a pretty different coloured box or whatever, but it's just a regular box this month. So we open it up. What does it say? It says back for a good time. I'd assume it's all just discontinued products that they've brought back, which is lovely. Which I think, is it? I don't remember. I honestly don't remember this box very well. So it says, not a long time. For nearly 30 years, Lush has been creating innovative, sustainable products that aim to shake up your whole bathroom counter. This month's box looks back at some of our most loved creations from the past, so dive in and get fresh. That's fun. How fun. You've got your little thing that says your products here, but I'm just going to ignore that. Let's dig in. Can't actually see anything, which is exciting. I can sort of see one little purple thing. Oh yes, I do remember this now that I see it. Ooh, she's pretty. We have, I believe this is called a French kiss, if I remember correctly. Yes, it is. It's called a French kiss. I've tried to avoid looking at the other stuff on there. Oh, it's lovely. I think this is meant to have a little sprig of lavender coming out of it. I'm assuming it's probably fell off in my box. This to me is just pure lavender. It's very similar to the Sleepy Bubble Bar, the Twilight Bath Bomb. They must have discontinued this and then brought in maybe the Sleepy Bubble Bar, I don't know. But I don't know why they didn't bring this back. This is really cute. Yeah, so it's just a little sort of tie-dye looking vibe. Yeah, it smells like pure lavender. That's all I can describe it as. I mean, with the Sleepy, I do feel like they have a bit of sweetness to them too. This just smells like pure lavender, but it's bloody gorgeous. Next up, I can see the thing that I did remember because I was most excited for this. The only gutting thing about it is it's a small one. We have the Sonic Death Monkey Shower Gel. This is yonks and yonks old, and I don't remember if I smelt this when I was younger or not, because that would have been the only time I would have smelt it. So I'm going to give it a sniff now and see if it brings back any sort of memories. Oh, it doesn't, you know. I thought it would bring back something. Perhaps I didn't smell this when I was younger. I can't smell it too much, you know. Does anyone else struggle with the shower gels when they're in the bottle to get a good sniff of them? Sometimes I just can't get anything. So this says, a favourite since records began. Roll out of bed and straight into the arms of a coffee and cocoa powder embrace. It's coming a bit now. It's like, I think people say this is like chocolate orange, and I am getting chocolate orange. It says coffee as well, but I can't smell too much coffee. Stick around because I'll obviously be trying this out in a little short, demoing it for you guys. But I'll be interested to see what this smells like out the bottle, whether it's any stronger or whether it's perhaps a weak batch, I don't know. But I'm very excited to try that. It is a shame it's not a bigger bottle because I think we've all gotten used to having the medium-sized bottle in the boxes, which has been fantastic because it lasts ages. You can keep the nostalgia going for a long time, do you know what I mean? But it's just so small and we're just going to have to cherish it for a very long time. Next up, I'm pulling out, what is this called? This is called Phoenix Rising. Ooh, wow. Ooh, that's unusual. It's a little purple number with a bit of gold dusting on the top. Is it meant to be speckledy? I remember seeing pictures, I think now it's coming back to me. Is it speckledy? I don't know. That's unusual, that is, but I like it, it's nice. I can't describe that scent. Well, that's really difficult to describe, that is. It's really lovely though. It's not a definitive like category like sweet floral, herbal. It's like, oh, I don't know, it's its own little thing. We're gonna have to wait for me to read the ingredients on this one because this is, let's have a look at the ingredients, shall we? So in this little number, we've got some citric acid, icing sugar, wow, cocoa butter, bergamot oil, cassia oil, jojoba, a cinnamon stick. Might be a bit of cinnamon I'm getting. I think there's like like you can smell some cinnamon, but it's not overpowering. And then there's like a layer of sweetness. Perhaps it's the citrus mixed with cinnamon. It's a really nice combo though, love it. I can tell this is going to be moisturising as well, because from me just holding it like that, there's a little, I can feel it on the bottom, like, you know, the softness. There's going to be moisture in that. Very excited for that. Oh, it smells lovely. Oh, I really like this. Next up, I can see the list now, I've ruined it all, but never mind. The next product I'm really excited for, because I've never tried this kind of product before. It is the Birth of Venus Jelly Face Mask. This one says, a masterpiece of toning fresh seawater, soothing lavender and calming chamomile, blue for perfectly balanced skin. Let's open it and have a look. Ooh. Ooh, it's like wibbly. Ooh, oh, that smells lovely. Oh, that is really fresh, like uplifting scent, like a spa treatment type scent. What you would want on your face if it's a face mask, you know. Oh, that's gorgeous, that is. So with this one, you pinch off some jelly, work between dry hands to form a paste and apply it all over the face. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, then wash off with warm water or a cloth. I'm really excited to try this. And this is nice as well, because I think these last a lot longer than the regular fresh face masks. The fresh face mask, you've only got like a month to get it all used up. Whereas with this one, we have until the 15th of July. Love it. So there's not like an immense pressure to get this used. That smells really, really lovely. In here, we've got some rose petal infusion, fresh seawater, how lovely. Talc, lavender absolute, chamomile, oliban, I never know how to pronounce that. Olibanum oil, myrrh resinoid. Oh, there's lots in here, isn't there? That is a beautiful, beautiful scent. Lovely. Last up in here we have the, which I'm not very excited for because I have one already from the Boxing Day sale and I've used it like a few times. They don't go down, they don't disappear. I'd find like they last blooming ages. So I don't really want this. Well, let's have a look. It's the popcorn lip scrub. Sorry, did I say it on the lip now? Did I say? Probably not. It's the popcorn lip scrub. Where are we? There we go. That's what she looks like. That smells really nice though. That don't smell like popcorn to me, but that smells blooming gorgeous. It says be a blockbuster success and have them all queuing for a sequel. Coconut oil, sugar and buttery caramel create a perfect palette. Oh, that's really nice. In here we have obviously castor sugar, jojoba oil, fine sea salt, how interesting, didn't know that. Polenta, extra virgin coconut oil, popping candy, and flavouring, but it doesn't say what flavouring it is. Oh, shall I keep it? I'm probably not going to keep it. It definitely doesn't smell like popcorn though, and I don't even think it really smells like caramel. It's giving me strawberry vibes, to be honest. I swear I've got something wrong with my nostrils. It's really, really sweet and lovely, and I'm getting a bit of like fruitiness from it. So that box, all in all, originally it's flashing back now, you know, when you open it and you're like, oh yeah, I do remember seeing the thing now. I don't think I was excited for it that much, but now I've opened it, I'm very excited for it. This is why I always like to give the boxes a go, because even if initially they look a little bit disappointing on the little spoiler, when they come, they can really surprise you, and that's a nice thing. And even if you don't like a product, like, I'm not fond of this, like, well, I am fond of it, it's lovely and I'm sure it works fantastically, but I know I won't use it that much. But you get them, they come through the post, you give them a sniff and you're like, oh wow, that's actually beautiful. You try them in the bath and you're like, fantastic. Do you know what I mean? It's worth to me anyway, personally, trying, and this is something I get really excited for every month. It's nice to have a little surprise of products through the post, you know? Yeah, probably not going to keep this one, but that's fine. All of these last 4 products I love. They're gorgeous. Look at this. I'm so sad. Look at that. It's like a little ice cream thing. Oh, they're stunning. Stunning. So excited. Very excited to try all these out over the next couple of days and share that with you guys. If you guys got this month's box, do let me know what your favourite is out of it. Probably going to get, I don't know, I like it all really. Probably this one, because I absolutely love lavender and I can never have enough lavender in my life. I need to chill the fuck out, you know, so I need all the lavender I can get. Just throw it at me. But yeah, let me know what your guys' favourite product was out of this month's. And I will see you guys very soon. Hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.